In today's video, we will have a look at how to upload a custom font to Canva. Let's dive right into it. To upload a custom font to Canva, you obviously need to be logged into your account, and then here on the left side on Canva's homepage, simply click on Brand.
And well, at this point you will quickly come to realize that uploading custom fonts to Canva is actually a Canva Pro feature only.
Oh, that's right, I almost forgot. I'm sorry, Mr. Robot. So yeah, whenever you see a crown symbol on Canva, that doesn't mean that you're a king or something.
Go down, Earthlings.
It actually means that you can only access these features if you have Canva Pro. And unfortunately, this is the case for fonts as well. So that simply means you can only upload custom fonts to Canva if you are a Canva Pro user. The good news though is that you can actually try Canva Pro for 30 days for free. Now, for all Canva Pro users, here's how you upload a custom font to Canva. I'm just going to change over to my Pro account here for a second. We are now on my Canva Pro subscription, so once again I will click on Brand here in the left toolbar, and the Brand Fonts feature is now unlocked because we are on Canva Pro. Yay! To upload our custom font now, we can simply click on Upload a Font and then choose our font file.
Could you please upload a robot font? That would be super duper awesome.
Yes, sure, buddy, we can do that. In case you're still looking for great free fonts to use, I highly suggest you to check out the website thefont.com, because there you can find thousands of free fonts. Just please note that some of these fonts are only for personal use, whereas others are completely free even for commercial use. So for example, this Belgium Victory font is only free for personal use. But other fonts like this Milky Honey font here actually is completely free. Now here in the search field, we are actually going to search for this robot font that has been requested. Let's go with this awesome looking Robotica font, which is also completely free to use. Now the cool thing on the font is you don't even need to have an account to download stuff, so you can simply click on download here and the font will be immediately downloaded to your computer. Now back in your Canva Pro account, simply click on upload a font, then locate that font file that we just downloaded a second ago. Make sure to unzip it first, because these font files usually come in a zip format. So unzip that and then you can simply choose that font file and upload it to Canva. And once your font is uploaded, under uploaded fonts you will see your newly uploaded font, and then you can switch over to text styles here and easily preview your newly uploaded font by clicking on heading, subheading or body style and choose your new font there. So I'm just gonna search here for Robotica. There you go, lovely. Now you can obviously use this newly uploaded font in all your designs. So I'm just quickly going to create a design here, and I will go with a custom size of 1280 by 720 pixels. Click on create new design. And now a little Canva hack, press T on your keyboard to add text to your project immediately. And then we choose our new font here. I'm going to input again Robotica. There we go. And that's it guys, this is how you upload custom fonts to Canva.
Oh my god, that's so amazing, I love it.